Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the receiving country on Remitly using your mobile app. First, open the Remitly app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. On the main screen, tap on the Send Money button or go to your home screen tab to view your current receiving country. Now, look for the current receiving country displayed at the top. Tap on it to access the country selection menu. A list of available countries will appear. Scroll through and select the new country you want to send money to. Once selected, Remitly will display the default currency and current exchange rate for the chosen country. Review this information carefully. If everything looks good, confirm your selection by tapping Continue. You can now proceed with the transaction as usual. And that's it. You have successfully changed the receiving country on Remitly using your mobile. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick financial guides from Financify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.